Konnichiwa and shiwasena to everyone. Here's a very simple task for you. I want you to write down on comments the first things you do after installing a fresh Ubuntu, so I can make a complete getting started guide. Just remember this guide is going to be focused on GNOME and normal people, so pretty please skip your tiling manager's BS, that lately are taking over this channel like a plague. I made a quick list just to warm you up, but before, there's something I wanted to say for so long.
Hey everybody, it's your friend and your guy and your favorite YouTuber who has run out of mean comments to make fun of, Gardner, the Linux Gamer.
You are not my friend, you are not my guy, you are not my favorite YouTuber, and what the Mitchell Valentino does there? Mother traitor. And now we can proceed like nothing weird happened.
You've been acting awful tough lately, smoking a lot of cigarettes lately, but inside, it's just a little baby.
Drop it.
It's okay to say that a weak spot.
It's Hoodie Allen.
Always have to be on top.
What up, Arena? You know how we do. They telling me to take the safe route. This is the detour. Hoodie, baby, you ain't seen a kid like this before him. Late night shooting for the moon like Warren. Them hits come out as soon as you hit recording. Born in America, Chevy and Ford, but these Greek ladies loving me. They saying he's foreign. Floored them, glued the crowd down by they bootstraps. Came up on the scene so quick you think we was a newscast. Well, newsflash, I can see through that. People try to hide what's on their mind like a do-rag. Never would I do that, I'm a real fucking hustler. You be in the background making noise like a muffler, but if it doesn't kill me, it makes me tougher. And that's the message that I pass on to my brother. You never really gonna make a difference till you suffer, but we passed that. Now it's time to smash that thunder.
You've been acting awful tough lately, smoking a lot of cigarettes lately, but inside, just a little baby. It's okay to say that a weak spot. You don't always have to be on top. Better to be hated, better not go up.
Lately, I've been staying on my grind like a skateboard. I got some rocket power now, so let's take off. We going hard over these beats, y'all just stay soft. I don't even feel the need to say pause, cause you were cheap to the system, how you came and Bernie made off. I'm a firm believer that the hard work pays off. The playoffs, I treat them like Mora did. That means I'm working with a little to get more of it. And anybody who doubted us, we ignoring it. I'm on a different mission, an exhibition, no score.
Names up on a poster. Everybody knows that when we win it's cause we're supposed to. Fighting with the dark side, running but you can't hide. Talking all that trash, it's got your tongue tied. We came here to win it, we're fit to we're finished. You better be ready to throw down. Calling us nameless, I'm missing the papers and we find our way cause we know how. Don't get it twisted, we doing our business, they're chanting our names and it's sold out. Better believe it, we can't be defeated, no way. We are the heroes, we're talking legends. Walk back down into the hands of to the heaven. Heroes, we're talking legends. Walk back down into the hands of to the heavens. Can't stop us when we go in. Kings and queens are folding. There's something in our touch, feel the rush, yeah we're golden. Sending out a message, leave them in the wreckage. Unbreakable, powerful forces not to mess with. We came here to win it, we're fit to we're finished. You better be ready to throw down. Calling us famous, I'm losing the papers and we find our way cause we know how. Don't get it twisted, we doing our business, they're chanting our names and it's so loud. Better believe it, we can't be defeated, no way.
my own